Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upgrade cult managers in Idle Cult Empire. So, let's dive in. Now, cult managers boost productions of your resource buildings. They look like this. Now, to unlock them, first you must unlock the Kraken-like monster in the middle, this one, and you must progress through that to eventually unlock the manager's chest, which will give you one of the materials to upgrade your managers. Next is prisms. This is what it looks like, this star symbol. Now, prisms, you can farm this after unlocking the dungeon in chapter 6. This one right over here. Here you can AFK battle to gather prisms, which is also needed to upgrade your cult managers. And once you have enough materials, go back to this, and you can then upgrade your cult managers. That's it. Now you know how to upgrade cult managers in Idle Cult Empire in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!